Once upon a time, in a city buzzing with gadgets and glowing screens, there lived a clever girl named Cinderella. Her apartment was filled with old, clunky devices, while her stepsisters lounged around with the latest tech toys, barely lifting a finger. One evening, just as Cinderella finished dusting off an ancient vacuum bot, her stepmother sneered, "You're not going to the tech gala. No invitation, and definitely nothing to wear." Cinderella sat alone, feeling sad, but just then, her old smart speaker whirred to life, detecting distress, activating FairyBot AI mode. Suddenly, a sparkling hologram popped up. "Hi, Cinderella," chirped FairyBot. "Let's get you to that gala." With a flash, FairyBot scanned Cinderella and whipped up a glowing decent smart dress trademark, plus hover heels trademark that made her float like magic. FairyBot winked. "But remember, the tech expires at midnight. Log out before then." Cinderella zipped off to the gala, turning heads as she floated past. Even Prince Leo, the city's tech genius, was amazed. "Who coded your outfit? It's next level," he said. They chatted about AI and shared their wildest app ideas. But when the clock struck 12, Cinderella's dress began to glitch. She dashed out, leaving behind a single smart sneaker flashing a QR code. The next day, Prince Leo scanned the code. Using his AI, he tracked down the mysterious coder. When they met, Cinderella wowed everyone with her skills. Instead of a fairy tale wedding, she became his co-founder. And together, they launched the coolest tech startup ever, and they lived innovatively ever after. But wait, Cinderella's adventures didn't stop there. At home one night, her stepsisters were busy, partying in virtual reality, leaving Cinderella behind. Suddenly, her old laptop flickered. Incoming call. "Fairy hacker." A funky cyber fairy appeared on screen. "Ready to crash the VR royal ball, Cindy?" she asked. With a click, Cinderella's avatar transformed into a digital superstar. But the free trial would vanish at midnight. At the VR ball, Cinderella's unique code caught Prince Leo's attention again. They talked creativity and gaming, until as midnight struck, Cinderella's avatar glitched and shrank to pixels. She barely escaped, leaving a glowing crystal code key behind. The next day, Prince Leo's AI found her. Impressed by her designs, he invited her to help build a magical virtual world. And Cinderella's dreams were no longer virtual. They became real. And finally, there was the adventure with Buddy, her trusty AI drone. When a sneaky WolfBot tried to hack her way through the woods, Cinderella trusted her gadgets and her gut. Thanks to Buddy's scanning and a quick-thinking net, WolfBot was caught. At Grandma's futuristic house, Cinderella realized the best gadget is a sharp mind. So, remember, technology is awesome, but your smart thinking is your real superpower. Stay smart, stay brave, and create your own magic, online and offline.